Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, January 15th, 2021. I have my fluffy friend Bunnykins here to help present my agenda. At 9:30 a.m., you have literacy. We're going to be focusing on finding the theme of a poem. We're going to be doing a read aloud of the book or poem called Dream Drum Girl. This is an excellent book with a wonderful meaning, and I hope you can identify the theme. In drama, we will be focusing on representing emotions. And the emotion that we are going to be learning about today is angry. So this is going to build on what we've learned about emotions already and how we see those emotions represented in other people and how we can act out those emotions. At 12:30 p.m., we're going to have math. We're going to focus on mode practice. So you have to identify if there is a mode, if there is a tie for the mode, or if there is no mode in the given sets of data. At 1:30 p.m., you have French with Madame Osterman. After French, I ask that you log on to RazKids, read a book, or if you forget your RazKids login, or if you prefer, you may grab a book at home, curl up with mom or dad, sister, brother, or even by yourself in a comfy and warm spot and read your book. So boys and girls, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Remember to keep reading and try your best, have fun, and I will see you on Monday. Take care, boys and girls.